Hello guys, welcome to the channel. And in this video we are going to see how to calculate rolling total and moving average using DAX. So we will see how to create these measures and use it inside Power BI. So for that we have an business use case. So let us consider we are using an electronic store data set, and for that data set we are going to calculate 3-month rolling total in DAX with respect to our store manager's requirement. So let's see how we can create using DAX. So we are inside Power BI now. So we are going to calculate rolling total. So before that, we will understand what is rolling total and why we need to do this calculation. So rolling total is nothing but, so if you take this table, we have a total sales measure which gives the sales for each month. So what this rolling total measure do is, see, instead of getting the sales for each month, I want to get the sales as an cumulative sales. So for example, for Jan month, we have the total sales here, and we also don't have any previous month before to this 2023 Jan. So we will have this sales as it is. So for the Feb month, I want to calculate the total sales which happened until Feb month, and meaning that I need to add my both Jan and Feb month sales and give me the cumulative total sales for Feb month. And similar to that, for March month, I'm going to add my previous 3 month sales and give me the cumulative sales for March month. So for April, I'm going to add my April sales and March and Feb and give me the cumulative sales here. And this is the rolling 3 month revenue total which we are going to calculate using DAX. So let's see how to create a measure for this calculation. So I will create a new measure for this. And so I will give a title like rolling 3 month total. So as usual, we are going to use our calculate function so that we will do the sales operation. So I will use my total sales measure, which is already here. So for calculating running total, I'm going to use my days in period function. And if you see the syntax, this will take a particular date, and then this will give you the list of dates with respect to the number of intervals which we are mentioning inside the function. So I'm going to use my date column here. And for giving a specific date, I'm going to use my max function, and then I'm going to use my date column here. So this will help me to consider the dates which are there in the filter context so that my function will work accordingly. So I'm going to give the interval like past 3 months, and I will select my month as an interval. So this DAX function which calculates the total sales for past 3 months from the given time period. So I'll use this function in the visual. So now you can see that my rolling total measure which gives me the running total for past 3 months. So for March it calculates the 3 months sales, and it gives me for March. And same for April, it takes the total sales of April and March and Feb. And similar to that, for each month, this calculates the 3 month cumulative sales and gives the final result. So this is how the running total measures are created using DAX. So next we will see how to create a moving average calculation for this same business use case. So to calculate the moving average for this same scenario, we will create a new measure and we will call it as average moving 3 month. So to calculate the moving average for this 3 month running total, I'm going to use my average x function. So inside my average x function, I'm going to give my list of dates as a table. So for that, I will use my same days in period function. And then I will use my max function to consider the dates for each row in my filter context. So I will use my date function here. So after that, I'll give the intervals. So now this is my table, and for this table, I'm going to give my total sales measure as an expression to calculate. So this DAX measure, which gives me the moving average for past 3 months. So I will bring this measure in the table. And now you can see that this gives me the moving average with respect to my business use case. And this is how 3 month running total and its averages are calculated using DAX. And I hope you understood the concept of how these calculations are done using DAX. So we can also change this table visual to a bar chart so that we can compare how these cumulative sales are happened for each month. And these are the useful calculations which are done using DAX, and I hope this helps you. So thanks for watching this video.